I went on the EAS test reporting system website, and I can't believe it. We just heard the national test. There's going to be another one October 5th. I'll be sure to try and get that one on camera. Hopefully things go okay that time. So yeah, that was a major glitch, and I'm glad we took care of it. Yeah, Dad finally got the thing to shut up. Anyway, that thing startled me. I thought it was an actual alert. Yeah, I should have looked. Anyway, I'm glad I saw this, so hopefully they fix it for the next test. I'm really, really anxious to see if it tests successfully, considering all the bad stuff we're going through. It really stresses me out. All the terrorism scares me. I don't think it's a good way to deal with people that you don't like, whatever it was. I just don't believe it's necessary. But anyway, it looks like the sky is getting a little gray. It looks like a storm coming. So yeah. It's all good. Just something weird happened with the national test. I'm thinking I might need to figure out how to fix this camera to where I can shoot selfies and regular videos at the same time, because I had to turn my phone like this and I can't see the screen. I don't know if I got it clearly, but anyway, it's all clear. Nothing's wrong. We just got a national test that failed. Anyway, it's okay, baby. Yeah, we're okay. Oh, did I scare you? Yeah. We're okay, baby. Yeah, I don't know why we got an Amber Alert. It was supposed to be an emergency action notification if it was the national thing. It's weird. Yeah. Looks pretty so for us. But hopefully everything gets fixed. I'm anxious to see what happens next. I missed the first one because of my singing lessons. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this kind of weird, lame video. And I'll see you guys later. Hopefully I'll have something out for in the movie part. Until then, it's just going to be Beyond the Torch stuff. Anyway, peace out. I'll see you next time.